Hello everyone. This will be our fifth video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today, I want to talk about financial analytics and how predictive scenarios can help us make strategic decisions. Can you explain how this module is integrated into the multi-agent system?
The Financial Analysis and Predictive Scenarios module is essential for transforming operational data into actionable information. This module uses the Financial Analysis Agent, which automates financial modeling, calculating key ratios such as IRR, ROI, and EBITDA. In addition, it generates projections based on historical and real-time data. This approach allows us to have continuous control over the financial health of the organization, eliminating delays in accessing key information.
I see. So, instead of relying on manual reports, this agent provides us with automated models that evaluate the financial performance of our facilities. How does this integrate into decision-making?
Exactly. The agent not only calculates financial ratios, but also simulates different scenarios through sensitivity analysis. For example, it can model how variations in energy prices or interest rates will impact our revenues and costs. In this way, we can anticipate changes in the environment and adjust our strategies proactively. By having this information in real time, managers can assess the impact of decisions before executing them, ensuring greater efficiency and reducing risks.
That sounds very useful, especially in such a dynamic market as renewable energy. Could you give me a practical example of how this would work?
Of course. Let's imagine that the system detects a trend in which the price of energy could go down in the coming months. Thanks to predictive analytics, the agent simulates different scenarios and shows us the impact on cash flows and ROI. With this data, we could decide, for example, to renegotiate contracts or adjust our investment plans to mitigate risk. Another practical case could be the detection of trends in operating costs, allowing us to take early action to reduce expenses and optimize the budget.
Interesting. This not only allows us to react quickly, but also helps us to plan more strategically. What tools or methodologies are used to perform these simulations?
The agent relies on machine learning algorithms and advanced statistical models to project different scenarios. Key variables are considered, and sensitivity simulations are performed, allowing us to see how marginal changes may affect financial performance. In this way, we obtain a more accurate and anticipated view of the future. In addition, the system uses clustering techniques to identify hidden patterns in the data, which improves predictive capabilities and helps detect emerging risks before they become serious problems.
I imagine that this predictive capability can be very beneficial for resource optimization and financial risk management.
Exactly. By having predictive models, we can identify financial risks before they materialize and adjust resource allocation accordingly. This reduces the possibility of unprofitable investments and improves operational efficiency by optimizing the budget. In addition, with early warnings, strategic decision-making is facilitated. In this way, companies can avoid situations of illiquidity or over-indebtedness, ensuring sustainable financial growth.
That translates into greater security and the ability to take advantage of improvement opportunities immediately, right?
That's right. Automating financial analysis allows information to be updated in real time, which is crucial for responding to sudden changes in the market. The combination of accurate data and predictive scenarios gives us a competitive advantage, as we can anticipate problems and opportunities, reducing risks and maximizing profitability. In turn, the ability to generate automated reports reduces the workload of financial teams and allows executives to focus on strategy rather than operational tasks.
I see that this approach can completely transform the way we manage investments and resources. By having predictive models, we not only optimize financial performance, but also strengthen our ability to make informed decisions.
Exactly. This module provides us with a comprehensive view of financial performance and helps us proactively assess the implications of different decisions. It is a powerful tool to ensure that every investment is backed by rigorous analysis and reliable projections. And with access to interactive dashboards, managers can visualize key trends and make real-time adjustments to maintain financial stability.
Very good. Today you have given me a clear picture of how automated financial analytics and predictive scenarios can help us plan, manage risks, and improve profitability. I am convinced that this approach is critical to staying competitive in the marketplace.
I am glad to hear that. This system not only optimizes your financial processes, but also prepares you to face a constantly changing environment. I am confident that by integrating these tools, you will be able to make much more strategic and confident decisions.
Thank you for the detailed and practical explanation. Thank you for the very detailed and practical explanation. Can I contact someone to discuss these issues?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.